$10,000 generated from a $1,000 initial capital allocation. The numbers behind the massive U.S. tech and artificial intelligence sectors show exactly how this scale of wealth generation occurs. But capturing that velocity requires stripping away the online hype and looking objectively at the raw mechanics of the stock market. This side-by-side timeline shows the mathematical reality of stock returns. On the left, chasing overnight lottery ticket gains produces a jagged, failing trajectory. On the right, a smooth 10-year curve demonstrates how mathematical compounding reliably turns a small initial block into a massive capital stack. This chart shows total market capitalization, and it explains why this specific strategy requires the U.S. market. The sheer volume of capital inside the U.S. dwarfs the rest of the world combined. Companies like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Nvidia operate with a scale of global dominance that simply does not exist on other exchanges. That modern digital growth is anchored by centuries of physical infrastructure and deeply entrenched institutional stability. The U.S. Stock Exchange operates as an engine of mathematical certainty for those who understand the required timeline. It rewards patience and punishes impatience. The reason most retail investors experience total capital wipeouts is simple. They apply the wrong behavioral strategy to the wrong asset class. If you take a massive, slow-moving compounder and attempt to day trade it, you suffocate its primary mechanism of value. You lock in small, taxable gains while missing the decade-long compounding cycle. This graph tracks the opposite error. Applying a passive, hold-forever mentality to a highly volatile, news-driven momentum stock leads directly to disaster. The price spikes on hype, and when the news cycle turns, the downward wipeout erases every dollar of previous gains. You are faced with a direct trade-off between stability and speed. To succeed, you must architect a portfolio that correctly separates these two conflicting functions. Building sustainable wealth requires mathematically isolating the safe, long-term foundational assets from your calculated short-term risks. We start with the long-term compounders. This category belongs to entrenched tech monopolies: Apple, Microsoft, Alphabet, and Amazon. These entities control global infrastructure. Microsoft runs massive segments of the world's cloud computing through Azure. Apple operates an ecosystem where leaving iCloud or Apple Music requires a heavy consumer effort. That high switching cost translates directly to reliable, continuous cash flow. The required input from you is rigid. You must commit your capital for a strict 5 to 10-year lockup period. During that time, you must actively ignore daily macroeconomic news, quarterly misses, and market panic. The outcome of that discipline is a slow, steady, compounded baseline of growth over your designated timeline. The trade-off is boredom. You will endure long periods of price stagnation, and you must sacrifice the emotional thrill of seeing rapid overnight portfolio spikes. These mega-cap assets serve a single structural purpose. They are the unshakable foundation of your portfolio, designed strictly to protect and multiply your capital. They are not here to provide entertainment. The second category operates under entirely different rules. These are the accelerants, volatile, hype-driven momentum stocks like Tesla, Palantir, and emerging AI chipmakers. The pricing of these assets is dictated by a chaotic, high-stress environment. Valuations swing violently based on a single tweet or shifts in consumer sentiment. The input required here is intense. You must actively monitor quarterly earnings, track government contract news, and stay ahead of macroeconomic trends on a daily basis. If executed correctly, the outcome allows you to capture rapid 10 to 20% price swings in a matter of days or weeks. The trade-off is a massive emotional tax. You face the constant threat of a sudden whipsaw drawdown, a violent price reversal that wipes out weeks of careful gains in hours. Momentum stocks require professional-level screen time to safely extract value. Treat them strictly as short-term, highly volatile tools. To safely execute both sides of the strategy, you must remove human emotion from the equation. Dollar-cost averaging serves as the mechanical solution to market panic. Automating a fixed monthly deposit mathematically forces you to buy more shares when prices drop and fewer when prices rise. This automation removes the toxic emotional urge to manually time a market crash. You sacrifice the fantasy of perfect timing for guaranteed, stress-free execution. For the volatile short-term bucket, you must implement a stop-loss order. This acts as a mandatory circuit breaker, mathematically capping your downside risk the moment a momentum trade turns against you. System automation separates the rational, wealthy investor who follows data from the emotional amateur who treats the market like a casino. You do not have to choose purely between stability and speed. By utilizing the 70-30 barbell approach, you can assign different jobs to different pools of capital. This pie chart breaks down the exact architecture of an optimized U.S. portfolio. 50% sits in big tech compounders, 20% goes to baseline growth and established AI, 20% is reserved for short-term swing trades, and the final 10% is allocated to high-risk speculation. If you are a time-poor optimizer with a demanding career, ignore the volatile 30% entirely.
place 100% of your available capital into the safe 70. A massive speculative loss triggers a cascading failure. To break even, the investor is forced to sell off their safe compounding assets, directly cannibalizing their own long-term wealth. Avoid the 4 distinct death traps: buying purely on hype, panic selling during a temporary crash, blindly following social media influencers, and deploying capital without primary research. Long-term wealth generation does not require you to predict the future of the market. It requires you to build a system, manage your risk, and relentlessly align your capital with mathematical probabilities.